dokie. I'm just doing this as a quick premiere unboxing so I can join in on the chat and upload it. It's only going to be quick, possibly 20 minutes. Right, got some goodies to unwrap. Firstly, stamp blocks. I am now of the view that you can never have too many stamp blocks, and these are nice and thick. I've got C, B and D, and with any luck I should stop getting inky fingers for these, so I'm going to have a play with those later. They'll be good. Some Stampin' blends. I've got dark and light cherry cobbler, because it turns out among my masses and masses of alcohol markers I don't actually have colours that match that ink pad, so with any luck I'm just going to pop them up there now. Right, I've got myself Highland Heather, Blackberry Bliss and Balmy Blue, because I managed not to order enough in the bright blues and haven't ordered any purples yet, so add these to my spectrum, and I'll have to get my husband to build me another stamping ink stamp yeah, I'll put my teeth in, stamp pad rack for my shelf, because I've now run out of spots. Right, I got myself some punches. I love these punches, they are such good value. Right. What we got? We've got the large and medium daisy punch, and these are fantastic because you can layer these up and create flowers for cards that way, or any project really. Fabulous. Can't wait to play with those. And I also got the perennial punch, which matches, which stamp set does this match? Let me have a look in the catalogue. Let me have a look. Does help if I use the index, Anna. Use the index. Here we are. I know what I'll do. I'll look for it here. Punches, 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 punches. It'll be here somewhere. There's the perennial flowers. I know it's here somewhere. Ah, here it is. Perennial flower punch is on page 167 of the catalogue. I think it matches and I also got the sprig punch, which is fabulous because I am desperately short of foliage dies. But I did order the Forever Fern bundle, but the dies were back ordered, so but they are on their way, so I'll get to play with them too. Now just make a note that I've got those. Always make a note in your catalogue about stuff you've already ordered, because you'll end up double ordering once your catalogue, once your collection gets bigger. I know it's in here somewhere. Which flower does that go with? I know it's around here somewhere. Is it the Peaceful Moments one? No, that's its Sentiments. I think it's in here somewhere. It's got to be here somewhere. I know I've seen the stamp set. I should have made a note of this. It goes with a particular stamp set. Let me have a look. Got that one. Got Timeless Tropicals. That's a fantastic stamp set. Crumpet Pets. It's in here somewhere. I know I have seen a stamp that matched that punch. And I cannot remember what it is called. This, people, is why you write things down. No, no, no. Hearts. Love that set. Is that one? No. Community Garden. Nope. I know it's in here somewhere. Towards the middle. Birthdays, birthdays. Seen it. Yeah. That's Forever Ferns. I know I've seen that stuff. Perennial flowers. Ah, yes, here it goes. It goes with the Floral Essence stamp set. You see that flower there? This is the punch that goes with it. Sorry. Oof. So I may have to let that stamp set just accidentally, deliberately slip onto my order. Can't wait to play with that. But I mean, even if you don't have the stamp set, this punch will be really useful for making three-dimensional flowers. So, can't wait to have a play. Right, what I really wanted to show you were these bits that I ordered from the mini catalogue, and I'll be doing a demonstration of these later in the week. Two things. Ah, yes, my Forever Fern stamp set. I weakened and I bought it because they're beautiful and I couldn't resist any longer. Here we go. Let's move these out of the way so I can show you properly. Oh, and the first one I got was the gift wrap set. This is in the new mini catalogue, and will be available to order in August if you're not a demonstrator. If you are a demonstrator, then you've still got time to place an order for this. And the reason I particularly like this is because aside from the holly and the Very Merry Christmas stamp, this set could pretty much be attached to any birthday card, any gift. It's just so useful because, oh, can't wait to play with the tartan ribbon. That's so beautiful. Yeah, so this one would be just so versatile. You can pretty much pair it with anything. So I'll be having a play with that. And this punch, you not only get the ribbon, which fits all of these, the bow that fits all these 3 larger stamps, but you get a separate ribbon knot, so you can use that on a piece of sparkly card. But you also get the tag that goes with that stamp there. So, oh, I can't wait. And these are photopolymer stamps, so they're really nice and easy to line up. Ooh, I'll have to play. Love them. The other set I got was the Halloween. Now, everyone who knows me knows I love Halloween. Anything a bit gothic, but these were just stunning. And they can't. And the dart. It's got a whole set of dies. Excuse me. The proxy making me tired. Oh, let me have a look. Been excited about these all week. Yes, look at that. So what we've got the spider, the leaf and flower. But you've also got these gorgeous bats. Fantastic. Look, you've got 5 bats to choose from. 5 bats! 2 absolutely stunning shaped label dies, which could probably be used for just about anything, not just this set. And you've got this lovely edging die as well. And it looks like spiders! Oh, they're so cute. Now, I'm not really great with anything with more than 4 legs, but these spiders are fantastic. And the other day, I found some bright orange embossing powder, and I think these lacy bats would look fantastic on black card with orange embossing powder. Oh, yeah. So yeah, these will be available to play with from the August catalogue, mini catalogue. Now, I've still got to place an order for catalogues, but because like a numpty, I forgot the last time round. But if anyone wants one, please let me know and I'll send one along once they arrive. That just about wraps this order up. It was only a little order today. I didn't get quite as much as I usually do. But can't wait to play with them. Okie doke. I will have to have a play and let you see what I make with those lovely Halloween dies, because I can't wait. I'll make some great trick-or-treaters. Anyway, bye bye.